The role of biodiversity in maintaining ecosystem resilience to fire. Biodiversity plays a crucial role in maintaining ecosystem resilience to fire. Resilience refers to the ability of an ecosystem to absorb disturbances like fires and still retain its essential structure, functions, and processes. Biodiversity, which includes the variety of plants, animals, microorganisms, and the genetic diversity among them, contributes to resilience in several key ways. Species diversity and fire resistance. Different species have varied responses to fire, with some being more resistant or tolerant than others. A diverse ecosystem includes species that can survive or quickly recover after a fire, ensuring that the ecosystem can sustain its functions and services post-disturbance. High biodiversity means that there are species with different strategies for regeneration after fires, such as resprouting from roots, germinating from fire-activated seeds, or quickly recolonizing from surrounding areas. This variety ensures that the ecosystem can recover more rapidly and effectively. Functional diversity and ecosystem processes. Biodiverse ecosystems support a wide range of ecological services, including nutrient cycling, soil formation, and water regulation. After a fire, the presence of functionally diverse species helps to quickly restore these processes, contributing to the overall resilience of the ecosystem. The redundancy principle states that multiple species can perform similar roles in an ecosystem. This means if a fire affects one species, others can still maintain critical ecosystem functions, reducing the impact on the ecosystem's health and productivity. Landscape diversity and fire spread. Biodiversity contributes to a mosaic of habitats and land cover types within a landscape. This diversity can act as a natural fire break, limiting the spread and intensity of fires. Different vegetation types can have varying flammability, and a heterogeneous landscape can slow down or redirect fire movement. Diverse ecosystems can influence local microclimates, potentially reducing fire risk. For example, areas with dense vegetation can maintain higher humidity levels and lower temperatures, which can decrease the likelihood of fire ignition and spread. Genetic diversity and adaptation. Genetic diversity within species is critical for adaptation to changing conditions, including increased fire frequency or intensity due to climate change. Populations with high genetic diversity are more likely to contain individuals that can survive and reproduce under new conditions, ensuring the survival and continuity of species and ecosystem functions. Community dynamics and succession. Biodiverse systems encompass a range of successional stages, with early-stage species often being more fire-adapted. These species can quickly establish after a fire, providing a foundation for the succession of other species and the gradual recovery of the ecosystem to its pre-fire state. In summary, biodiversity enhances the resilience of ecosystems to fire by promoting rapid recovery, sustaining essential functions, and providing buffers against fire spread and intensity. Conserving and restoring biodiversity is thus a key strategy in managing fire-prone landscapes, helping to mitigate the impacts of fires and supporting the long-term sustainability of ecosystems in the face of changing fire regimes.